Ever wondered how people kept food fresh before fridges? Spoiler, it wasn't pretty. Back in the day, folks threw potatoes in root cellars, dunked cheese in streams, or literally built houses for ice. Your great-great-grandma? She basically had a mini Arctic in her backyard, iceboxes stuffed with blocks from frozen lakes. Then, the 1920s showed up with electric fridges. No more wrestling giant ice blocks. Fast forward, today's smart fridges have Wi-Fi, cameras, and can probably judge your snack choices. From muddy pits to mind-reading machines, chilling food has come a long way. So next time you raid the fridge, thank science for the cool journey.